Welcome to the Greatest Learn YouTube channel. Please show the problem. A shopkeeper earns a profit of 15% by giving a discount of 20% on the market price of a book. Find the ratio between the cost price and market price. Friends, find out the ratio between the cost price and market price. Briefly shown that the problem, selling price is the common point. Using the selling price, find out the ratio between the cost price and market price. The market price multiply discount 100 minus 20 by 100. This is the selling price. In another way, profit, using profit, cost price multiply 100 plus 15. This is the 15% profit by 100 equal 100 cancel. Market price multiply 80, cost price multiply 115, ratio of the cost price and market price. So cost price by market price 80 by 115. So friends, 5 1 is 5 16, 5 2 5 23, 16 by 23. Answer 3. 16 by 23 is the correct answer. Option number 3 is the correct answer. And now we go to second problem. A man purchases a certain number of oranges at 10 each and same number at 8. He mixes them together and sells them at each 8. What is the gain or loss? Suppose some oranges are number 5. Five multiply 10 plus another same rate. 5 multiply 8. 5 are the oranges. 10 8s are different rates. So total amount 5 10 50, 5 8 40, 90. And mixes, all fruits are mixes. So 5 plus 5 plus 10 mixes. 10 fruits are mixed and selling price 8 rupees. So 5 plus 5 in multiply 8, 10 into 80. This is the selling price. So observe that problem, clearly shown that loss, cost price greater than selling price. So loss. So loss percentage 90 minus 80, selling price minus cost price. Briefly explain. Selling price minus cost price minus selling price by 100, by cost price multiply 100, cost price 90. So cost price greater than selling price. So cost price 90 minus 80 by 90. 10 by 90, 100. 10 1 ja, 10 9 ja 90. 100 by 9. 11.11% loss. Clearly calculation. And now we will go to third problem. A man buy a single apple for 18 rupees. He paid 202 by dozen apples. Find the approximate discount. Clearly shown that 1 apple 18 rupees. He gives some discount to buy dozen apples for 200 rupees. So cost price of 1 apple 18 rupees. As for cost price of 12 apples, 12 multiply 18, 216. But he gives 200 rupees for dozen apples. So he paid 200 for dozen apples. He 200 selling price. Actual cost price 216. He paid 200 rupees for dozen apples. So 200. Some discount clearly shown that. Find out the discount percentage. 216 minus 200 by 216 multiply 100. Discount percentage 16 by 216 100. 4 4 ja 4 5 4 4 2 27. 200 by 27. Clearly 7. Approximately 7% discount. Rough and calculations. 7.4. Approximately 7%. Fourth option is the correct answer. And fourth problem. A man sells a computer desktop at a profit of 20%. Had he bought it at 25% less and sold it for 840 less, he would have gained 10%. What is the cost price of the computer desktop? Clearly, key point is sold it for 840 less. This is the main point of the question. Please understand that problem. Let cost price of computer desktop 100 at a profit of 20%. So selling price 120. Another way, he bought it, had he bought it 25% less. So new cost price 100 minus 25% less. Had he bought it at 25% less, 75%. New selling price 10% profit. 75% into 10%, 100 plus 10 by 100. New selling price. So this is the important problem. To 15 11 82.50 new selling price. Friends, new selling price 82.50%. He sold it for 840 less. This is the difference of the first and second selling price. 120 minus difference of the selling price. 120 minus 82.50 percentage. Clearly shown that 37.5 percentage. This is the 840 less. 37.5 percentage is equal to 840. 20, sold it for 840 less. First selling price difference, first and second selling price, old and new selling price difference. Cost price 100 percentage. 37.5 percentage equal to 840. 100 percentage 840 multiply 100 by 37.50. 25 4 ja 25 1.5. 840 multiply 4 40. Remove the point 15. 15 5 ja 75. 9 15 6 90. 40 40 40 and 50. 40 multiply 56. 2240. Option number 2 is the correct answer. And now we will go to problem number 5. The market price of a calculator was 750. A man bought the same for 550 after getting the two successive discount. If the first discount is 10%, find the second discount. Market price of the calculator 750. After two discounts, he bought the 550. Market price 750. One discount 10%. So 10 by 100. First discount 10%. 10 by 100. 750 equal to 75. First discount. Market price 750 minus first discount 75. After 675. After first discount. 550 is the a man bought the 550 after getting two successive discount. First discount after amount 675. Successive two discounts after 550. So difference of the 675 minus 675 and 550. So getting the second discount amount. 670 minus 550 equal to the second discount amount. Clearly shown that second discount percentage find out. So 120 by 750 market price multiply 100. 0 0 cancel. 5 2 ja 5 15 ja 125. 5 3 ja 5 25 ja 25 multiply 50 by 3. 50 by 3. 50 by 3, approximately 15 point 16 point something. Option number incorrect, option number 2 incorrect, option number 3 also incorrect. 4 16 point something is 4 options are incorrect. Okay, both 16 point something, both option 16 point something. So 16 point something is the 16.6 is the correct answer. Please subscribe Greatest Learn.